Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Learn CAD. In this video, I will tell you about the latest features that are being embedded in Catia. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's begin. Here I will give you a brief overview of Catia. What is Catia? Catia is a computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application. It is a software suite that's combined CAD, CAE, and CAM. CAD is computer-aided design, CAE is computer-aided engineering, and CAM, as you all are aware of, is a computer-aided manufacturing. So here I have shown you a CAD model in the yellow color in the left hand side in the image in the CATIA V5 interface. So I will now continue with the latest features that are coming into Catia V5. So here the first feature is Catia Creative Design in release 2024X. In Catia, this version includes AI based operators. What is AI based operators? These operators suggest multiple iterations of a solution by using the AI. So in conclusion, in this module, AI has been implemented. So now, from now onwards, slowly AI will be coming into play in CAD models. Benefit and use cases. AI-based operator suggests multiple iterations so that it reduces the overall design time of the process. So it is going to be very helpful in the future where we will have to create multiple iterations of a same design. Earlier, it was a lengthier process. It was all manual process we can say. But yes, it was used. Software was also used in this process. And now next feature, which is in CATIA V6. It is a real-time analytics has been embedded into the CATIA so that we can see how the data is performing. Like it allows users to access the impact of design changes in real time. So in real time means in any time we can check the design changes. Next is providing insights into the feasibility and performance of design. And next feature which is cloud-based design. So what is cloud-based design is the design that we do in day-to-day basis on the physical machine. But now some advancement have come in the CAD where we use cloud as a source of computing. So all the CAD models are being designed on the cloud. So this is cloud-based design which has been introduced into CATIA V6. It allows users to access their project from any location at any time and enables global collaborative design. Collaborative design allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. For example, in an organization, there may be hundreds of people who require data from the same project, so they can collaborate easily through this new features. Next feature is PPR technologies. PPR is product, process, and resources. So we can utilize all the three technologies. These features strengthens CATIA Anovia integration and improves the interaction between numerical control and manufacturing processes and product design definitions. So it is a platform which uses NC and manufacturing processes and design definitions simultaneously to smoothen the overall process of the product lifecycle. Next feature is data exchange and single PLM platform. This features allows data exchange multiple between multiple stakeholders. It improves data exchange capabilities and enables a single form of data that can be utilized by multiple users. So here, popular platforms like 3D Experience, Team Center are being utilized for the process. These platforms give you a domain on the internet where you can simply log in and collect all your data that you required for a project so that it can be communicated across all the team members. So that's it from my side in this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, continue watching my content, and if you like my content, please like it and do not forget to share. Bye bye.